Hey guys, do you struggle to get to the camera for making a video? Do you have multiple messages and stories which you want to convey? Have you ever thought that animation is not your cup of tea? Do you have a story but you don't have time and the people to shoot a required scene? Then this tutorial is for you. Hi, this is Vinayak Bhat. I'm gonna teach you how to create simple explainer videos in just an hour using videoscribe. Even if you are absolute beginner, what you will learn from this course: create simple explainer videos in minutes, design the scenes of the animation, adding text, image, elements and animating them without any hassle. All these under a price of 499 rupees only. But if you enroll now, you will get this at a discount of rupees 199 only. Hurry up and type animate 2020 in the comment box to get the discount link. Thank you.